Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page. First of all, you log into your Facebook by going to facebook.com or open your Facebook app. You click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. Then scroll down and click on, you see all profiles. Click on it and then you see all pages. So you also click on it. Then it will come where you see create a new page. So you click on create a new page and then you put the name of the page there. So put the name of the page, then you select the category. You may, if you have a description, you can put it there. If you don't have for now, you can click on create page. After the page is created, you will put your phone number here. So let me put a phone number. You can select the country code. So country code and then phone number. And you put the email, your address, your city. So yeah. So you can put more information about the address, but this one for now I just want to fill in the information. Put your email, put the physical location address and the town, the hours. You can put always open, that will be 24/7. If you want to select selected hours, you can come here and choose all those hours that you want, opening and closing time. For now I want to put always open, then I'll click on next. Then you have to put a profile picture. So example, I want to put a picture of one of the products. So you can put a cover photo as well. For now I'm skipping the cover photo, but if you have the cover photo, you can put it. You can connect your page to WhatsApp by putting your WhatsApp number, and they will send a code and you just connect it. For now I'm skipping it, and then you can invite a few friends of yours to come and then follow your page, and the account is created. Now you may want to set up Facebook ads. So I've done a video earlier on how to set up Facebook ad, and I will leave that video in the description for you to follow the step-by-step process of how to create a Facebook ad. If you have any problem and you may need my help, you can leave your comments in the comment section and we will reach out to help you get that done properly. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.